All right, Algebra 2 7-7 continued. So I left you in the last video here on this cliffhanger of a problem. So here we are at natural log. Goodness, that's a mess. Natural log of 8 to the 6th power over 4 to the 2nd power. Now, one thing you could do here is you can say 8 to the 6th power is 16,384 over 4 to the 4 squared, which is 16, and divide all that out, which is 384 divided by 16. That's natural log of 1024, which is 2 to the 14th power. So this is 2 to the 14th power, based on my notes from last time. And then the 14 will go in the front, so I have 14 natural log of 2 would be my final answer. Now, there's another way we can do this. One is we can just make these bases be the same. And so if you didn't have a calculator and all of this is a mess and kind of gross, we could solve this one this way. We could say natural log of 8 to the 6th power over 4 squared. We can rewrite 8 to the 6th power as 2 to the 3rd power, that's 8 to the 6th power. And we can rewrite this one as 2 squared. So I just substituted 2 squared for 4, and I substituted 2 to the 3rd power for 8. And then I kept the 6 up here and the 2 here. And so I multiply these when I raise to the power. So I multiply those. So I've got natural log of 2 to the 18th power over 2 to the 4th power. Now, since I have the same base, I can now just subtract 18 and 4, or 4 from 18, and I get natural log, I should have some equals here, right? Natural log of 2, 18 minus 4 is 14, 2 to the 14th, and then that 14 goes over here, 14 natural log of 2. So either way, you should still end up with the same answer. I like this way better, personally. This is kind of more fun and makes a little more, I don't know, it's just kind of a fancy way, I guess. I don't know, I like it better than just plugging the stuff into the calculator. But you get the same answer either way, or you should. We got a couple more examples and we'll be done with 7-7. Here we have a couple equations here. E raised to the power of natural log of x equals x. And the natural log of e to the x power equals x. So we have these two guys up here that we're going to look at. Or we'll use these in these next couple examples that we're going to do. We're going to solve, and here is an example. 4e to the negative 2x power minus 5 equals 3. So the first thing I want to do is get these numbers over there on one side and get this mess by itself on the other side. So I'm going to add 5 to both sides. 4e to the negative 2x power equals 8. I'm going to divide by 4. Let's get that 4 out of there. So we get the e to the negative 2x power equals 8 divided by 4, which is 2. Okay. So now I've got a couple options. I could rewrite this in natural log form, like jam this 2 up in here and then have natural log of negative 2x. Or I could take the natural log of both sides. So what that would look like is natural log of e to the negative 2x power equals natural log of 2. So I've just taken the natural log of both sides. Now, if I look up here, natural log of e to the x power equals x, meaning whatever my exponent is here, that's what my answer is going to be. That's what this natural log of e to this power whatever that power is, that's what this expression equals. So natural log of e to the negative 2x, I have negative 2x equals the natural log of 2. And so this is when I've got to get my calculator out. And I say natural log of 2 equals, and I'm going to go to 4 decimals here, is approximately, we have to say now, 0.6931. Then I'm going to divide both sides by negative 2. X is approximately this mess divided by 2, negative 2. So negative 0.3466. All right, let's do another example. 3e to the 4x power minus 12 equals 15. All right, I'm going to give you a second right here. If you feel comfortable with this, go ahead and do this example. So go ahead and pause if you want to do this one, and then we'll work this one out together here. Plus 12, plus 12. 3e to the 4x power equals 25. I'm going to divide both sides by 3. Oh, man. Oh, wait, did I do something? 15 plus 12 is not 25. It's 27. Come on, people. E to the 4x power equals 27 divided by 3, which is 9. Now I'm going to take the natural log of both sides. Natural log of e to the 4x power equals natural log of 9. Those go away, so now I just end up with 4x equals natural log of 9. We're going to have an approximate deal here. Oh, I didn't divide by 4 yet. Oh, that's fine. I'll just divide by 4 when we're... Yep, we'll do that next. So natural log of 9. So on your cell phone, if you turn it sideways, you push 9 and then push natural log. But on this type of calculator, you push natural log first and then 9, and I think most calculators are going to look that same kind of way. Natural log of 9, 2.1972, blah, 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 blah. Then I'm going to divide by 4, and I get approximately 0.5493. All right, one more. And then we are done with 7-7, at least for the notes part of it. 3 natural log of 4x equals 24. Oh, look, this one I don't have. I'm not going to be taking the natural log of each side. We're going to do the same kind of thing as these ones, but we're going to raise each side with the base of e. So see if you can figure that one out. And then we'll do it together. Okay, go. All right, let's see how you did with this one. We're going to divide by 3 first. Natural log of 4x equals 24 divided by 3, which is 8. Now, here's the part that we haven't done yet. That's kind of tricky, but we can do it. I made a little foreshadowing, I don't know, hint. I'm going to raise both sides with a base of e. And so that means e to the natural log of x is x. So e to the natural log of 4x is 4x. So 4x equals e to the 8th power. So e to the 8th power. So now I get my calculator. I push second, and then I push the little e to the x button. So e to the 8th power equals 2,980.95798, blah, 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 blah. So I'm going to keep that in my calculator here. And I'm going to divide it by 4. And then I'm going to get what x equals. Or is approximately. So I've just got the e to the 8th power in my calculator. And I don't want to write all that down. So I'm just going to divide by 4 now, because I needed to divide by 4 anyway. And so now I got 745. 2395. approximately. And that is my answer for that one. All right, and that is 7-7. Good luck on your homework.